In this presentation, I'll go ahead and talk about the rest of the video types. In the previous presentation, I have talked about the main KPIs of the search ads. That was only all about the search ad. This time, I'm gonna take over through the rest of the video types. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about YouTube videos. I will talk about the YouTube videos, display, shopping ads. They all are almost same. So I'll go ahead and first talk about the YouTube video ads. So in the YouTube video ads, first of all, what does matters? It matters our views, right? These are our watching ads. These are the display ads, kind of display ads. So the thing which matters to us, that's called views. How many views we are getting. So according to views, what are the two numbers which will really matter to us, according to you? So first of all, I believe, first of all, the first point you catch it, that's cost per view. The first point is cost per view. What is the cost we are paying on a single view? According to you, what is the cost of it? So, suppose there are 100 people who are logged into the YouTube, but they are only watching, they are skipping our ads and so many things. So we are going to pay for it, right? So that's the first point. That's how much we are paying cost per view, and is it relevant and is it justifying that so on things, like how much amount we are paying and is it justifying? So first one is cost per view. So this was the first point, that how much we are giving for a single view, like what is the cost per view which we are providing to Google. Second, that's the main number, that how much percentage the people are viewing our video. Are they viewing only 5%, 10%, 25%? Like if they're not even watching on 25%, then what is the use of paying? What is the use of paying if they are not even watching 50%? If they are not getting aware about our brands, what is the use of it? Right? There is no use. So these are the two numbers of YouTube ads which we need to check it out, like how much we are paying and what is the percentage that people are watching our YouTube videos. So these are the two numbers. Now, what is our main goal? What is the goal to achieve it? So what is the main goal? Our main goal is basically, the main goal not is how much people are viewing our ad. Our main goal is how much lead we are generating and how much sale we are cracking. So for the sale and for the lead, as we have discussed in the search ads KPIs, that what are the main numbers which we need to look. The first is CTR, which is click-through rate, how much people are viewing our ad and clicking on it, and what is the percentage of it. And similarly goes for CPC, how many people are clicking on our ad and landing to our land pages. And then what is the cost of per click we are giving, and what could be the possibility, can we increase it or should we decrease it, and is it relevant for us, are the people getting attraction from us, are the keywords which we are using, are they relevant for our ads? So the same thing. Similarly, we'll go for CPL, which is cost per lead. What is the cost which we are providing as per the leads? Like if someone is coming to our landing page and filling the lead form, then what are we providing as per leads? Similarly, lastly, the conversion rate. What is the conversion rate which we are providing? I mean, which we are getting? Is it 2%, 3%, 5%, 10%, whatever it is? What is the conversion rate which is happening? Suppose there are customers landing to our landing pages and doing some actions on it, which is conversion basically. So what are we paying for that particularly? And that's a conversion rate. And there is one more thing. There is always a scope of improvement. If I talk about conversion rate today, if your conversion rate is 2%, then there always a scope to make it 3, then to make it 4, then to make it 10, then to make it 15, 20, 25, whatever it is. But remember always the thing that there is always a scope of improvement in conversion rate. If today you are spending 2,000 rupees and you are getting the conversion rate 2%, then maybe a week later, if you're spending the same amount, 2,000 rupees, but your conversion rate is 10%. So do not get upset with this and do not start making your budget high. stay with that budget. Sometimes ads do not get that much publicity in a single go. Sometimes it takes time. All right. So that was our second step. That's a main goal, lead and sale. Similarly goes for sale. We'll check our CTR, CPC, CPL and conversion rate. So this was all about your YouTube ads. Now let's discuss about the display ads. What are the main KPIs? What are the main numbers which we need to check in display ads? Now in display ads, what are we gonna see? So first of all, of course, the main goal of our is leads. Like what are the leads which you are getting from our display ads? So the main number which you'll see in the display ad, it's gonna be your CPM, which means cost per, impression. How much you are going to pay on 1,000 impression? How much you're gonna pay? So that's your CPM. That's the main thing which you'll look, and then you will see your CTR, your CPC, and CPL. I mean your click-through rate, your cost per click, your cost per lead, your conversion, everything. Everything is gonna same. Only the one thing is gonna add. That's your CPM. That's your cost per impression, right? That's your display ad which you're gonna see in your display ads. Now, if I talk about shopping ads, in the shopping ads, what you will see, of course, definitely it's gonna be same cost per rate. I mean cost per click and your click-through rate, cost per add to cart you're gonna see, cost per sale you're gonna see, cost per lead, and cost per view. You will also see how many people have viewed your product. Conversions you're gonna see how many conversions are making on your websites, and then you will also see which keywords are helping you to get that traffic, which keywords are useful for you, which are not, which keyword is using the highest bid, which keyword is not getting on the lowest bid, and some keywords are all you could say some keywords are also there who are lowest in the bid, but still they're sending a lot of traffic. And some keywords are those as well who are getting the highest bid, but still they're not getting the right traffic for you. So you also need to get the report of it. You will also see those product. You will also see the reports of those product, which you will think that some of the products are getting so much in demand, but some products does not get in demand. So if the product is getting the highest bid to get view, then you will also keep on remarketing that product. But if some products are not getting that much view, that much likes, then what you do? You'll stop focusing on it, right? This is what we do. Some people suggest that if one product is not getting the good response, we should improvise on it. Yes, you can improvise on it if you have a lot of good budget. If you don't have a good budget, then expend your those money on your those products which are valuable in the market, which are getting liked by the people, so that you will keep on investing on it and you will get a return of it. So we'll always think from the side of our customers. What customers exactly want from us? Does they want does they want those price? Of course, if there are 100 people and 90 to 95% people are liking shoes and only 5% are liking the socks. So will you be focusing on shoes and will you be focusing on socks? So you will be focusing on shoes, right? So this is the same example which I'm going to set here, that keep on focusing those products which are marketable, which are easily liked or loved by the customers. We always think from the customer side. We always put ourselves in the customer's shoes, that what if we would be there, so what we like, right? So this was all about your YouTube display and shopping ads and how we can generate the report of them. I'll tell you that in the next lecture. As of now, this was the KPIs. These were the main numbers which you want to see, on the basis of which you can judge how your display ads and shopping ads and your search and YouTube ads are responding. Again, I want to repeat everything. In the YouTube ads, what you need to exactly check is how many views you are getting and what are you paying for the views, how many people are watching your YouTube video ads and how much percentage they are watching. Basically, our main goal is to check our click-through rate, cost per clicks, conversions, cost per leads. Then similarly goes for display ads. In the display ad, we always goes for CPM, then click-through rate, cost per click, again cost per lead, cost conversions. Similarly goes for shopping ads. We see the click-through rate, cost per clicks, cost per add to cart, cost per sale, conversions. We also check the product reviews. We also check the keywords reviews. Keyword reviews are always, we always check that in every ad. So these were the main points. These were the main numbers which we will see in the, ads. So while running these ads, keep these points in the mind, and how to generate the report, I'll tell you in the next lecture. And till then, keep thinking for the same, and yeah, keep learning. And I'll see you in the next lecture with some more new topic. Till then, take care of yourself.